How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, you should see the Meta AI icon right around here. If you don't find it, what you can do is head over to App Store to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So let us search for WhatsApp. And after you find WhatsApp, make sure that it's up to date. If you have an update available, tap on update and update it to its latest version. Even after you do that, if you don't find the Meta AI option around here, what you need to know is that it might be because the feature is not yet available in your region. Now, for that, WhatsApp will have to work themselves to make it available for your region. So all you can do is wait for it. Now, other than that, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, scroll down, tap on help, and now you can go to the help center and complain about you not having the Meta AI. After you do that, if they notice that the feature is available in the region but not just for you, they will just help you fix it. And yeah, that is basically how you fix the problem, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.